To let your users reset their own passwords without having to contact you each time, you can set up self-service password reset in Microsoft 365 Business. Let's take a look. From the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, select Settings, Security and Privacy, Azure AD Admin Center. Choose Users, Password Reset. Select All to enable self-service password reset, then save. The next time a user logs into their account, they're asked for additional information. Select Next. They can choose whether to authenticate with their phone, email, or both. They go through a few steps, and when finished, they'll be able to reset their own password when needed.